In this video, I'll show you how to set custom gas fees in Metamask. First, open Metamask and unlock your wallet. Make sure you're connected to the correct network, then start the transaction you want to send. Next, review the transaction confirmation screen. Look for the network fee or gas fee section and select Edit or Advanced. After that, choose the custom gas option. Depending on the network, you may be able to adjust the priority fee, max fee, or gas limit. Now, enter your preferred values carefully. Setting the fees too low can cause a transaction to remain pending or fail. Review the estimated total cost before continuing. Next, click Save or apply your custom settings. Metamask will update the transaction using the gas values you selected. Finally, review the entire transaction one more time and click Confirm when you're ready. You can then monitor the transaction from the Activity section until it's confirmed. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to set custom gas fees in Metamask. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.